Please, if you're in Abuja and you know what I can take to terminate pregnancy, please slide into my DM. Because the father of my unborn baby said he's not interested in a pregnancy. And the belly, they disturb me too. I don't tire to the vomit. I don't tire to the sleep anyhow. I don't tire to the behave anyhow. So I beg, if you dey for Abuja, you know which I go take. You know which hospital they do. Please, let me know so I can go and...
Sister don cry out say the pregnancy wey she get, say the boy wey he get the belle for, say he no want the pregnancy again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today matter, the thing shocktalize me, like seriously. Like wetin come dey happen for this world now. I just say make I stroll just now for Facebook. Now I see one video where one girl take cry say a boyfriend wey he get belle for, say he no want the pregnancy again. And this belle wey we dey talk, so the belle don big. That belle so go don reach like 6 months. Now the boy say if papa no go gree make him marry the girl. So now he want abandon the girl now with the pregnancy. My darling people, matter dey o, things dey happen for this world sha. The way some guys stay dey behave, e no good. They really, like seriously, e no good at all. Okay, my darling people, now the girl now say he need advice from people. Now I want to go do the belle, make him remove am. For me, I no fit advise person make he even abort even 1 month pregnancy, talk less of 6 months pregnancy. Like seriously, no. Me, I dey against that one. You understand, my darling people? As I see the pregnancy just now, the belle don come out. The girl say he want remove am. Very beautiful girl. He say he want remove am because only she no go fit take care of the baby, and she no get money like that to take care of this baby. I believe say if this girl see who help her, she go leave the pregnancy. So my darling people, wetin una think about this video? Because for me, I go like make Nigerians, may we help the girl. You understand? Because that baby now, if you remove am, you go pay me well, and make she not even go lost her life for the process of say she want remove the belly. So now wetin make me say no, I must do this topic in case of anybody wey get any help we want give this our sister, so that make it help am. Because to remove belly not be good thing at all. It dey very bad to do abortion. So now it make me say no, I must do this topic, I beg. Because the way the girl talk just now, as be say in the look for who go help am. Say yes, say they do am for Abuja. If the belle don big, the office still remove am. And this belle don turn pikin already. You understand? So to come go remove am like that, for me, e no good. No be good thing at all. No, e no good. I beg anybody wey go fit help this our sister, make it help am. Mona help me share the video, because to come remove a pregnancy wey don big like this, e dey very bad. Very bad, my darling people. I beg anybody wey see this video, make it help me share am. Make it share am, so that make the whole world see am. In case, because one big man fit just dey one corner now wey be say e don dey look for pikin for years. If you say okay, bring the baby, I go accept you, accept the pikin. Or one mama wey be say e don dey look for pikin for long time, e no see. If you come see this girl now, you go say, abeg bring her, come born am, I go take care of you. This, you understand? Because some people they don't spend money tire, they no gree see pikin o. So don't even do this IVF reach how many times, belle no gree come. So don't go do this. You get one way that they do, I don't forget the name. Somebody go help us to carry the pikin. If you not see get big money, you don't go visit do that one. Talk less of say person you can't get belle, wey be say no, wey be say belle just come natural like that. You could just say no, say he want go move am because say the boy say he no want. I want to advise our men there. If you know say you never need woman, Abeg, no do bone to bone na. You must not do bone to bone. Just do rubber own. You understand? So that if you dey fear say the rubber go even burst, double am maybe too. So that you go fit take jogodo the girl. Not be say you go go do bone to bone finish. Wetin dem dey see for bone to bone, if you come out, you go dey say no, say you no need am. No, abeg. No, we not dey do like that. No, we not dey put all those women for this kind of condition. To take care of baby alone, e no easy. Even two people no easy. Talk less of one person. I know wetin this our sister dey feel. I know why she dey say she wan remove am. You understand? So I beg my darling people, anybody wey go fit help this our sister, make e help am. Make e help am. We will not leave her like that. You understand me, my darling people? Please, I beg una. Anybody wey get any help for this our sister, make e help am. We will not leave her like that. You understand me? E dey very painful to come see our Nigeria person like this. E dey look for help. Abeg, make we help her. So anybody wey go fit help her, abeg, make una help her or abeg, my darling people. Make una help her. Make una still drop una comment for the comment section. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Please, if you're in Abuja and you know what I can take to terminate pregnancy, please slide into my DM. Because the father of my unborn baby said he's not interested in a pregnancy. And the belly, they disturb me too. I don't tire to vomit. I don't tire to sleep anyhow. I don't tire to behave anyhow. So I beg, if you dey for Abuja, you know which I go take. You know which hospital they do. Please let me know so I can go and pregnancy. Me self no want the pregnancy again. Since the father no want the pregnancy, he want move on with his life. Me too, I have to move on with my life. I have many things to do with my life also. Please, if you know anybody that's what I can take to terminate pregnancy, please.